so we're going to get cracking on this meal. So we've got a pan on. Basically what I'm going to do is spaghetti bolognese. So what I've got is some portioned up beef mince. Obviously this is going to be a meal for tonight. And some meals for us later on in the week or the week after. This is going to be frozen, obviously. So just break this down. I'm going to cook the mince first and get any drain any fat and water that's in it. And then we cook up a load of stuff that we're going to use up in the fridge, like peppers and onions and all that good stuff. So we go through it. Once it's cooked off, then we cook everything else and then combine it all together with some of this. I'm going to dissolve this in water and add this to the mix after. It's just like a flavouring, so it'll be all good. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so this is just starting to brown off. I'm going to take this off the heat and put this into a bowl. And into this pan, some olive oil, some garlic, onions, let those wilt down a little bit. Peppers, using up some of the last of our cherry tomatoes, can of sweetcorn, mushrooms, some leftover passata. This was from the other night. Can of chopped tomatoes. And this is a sauce, a bolognese seasoning. Add our meat back in now, our minced beef, nice sprinkle of oregano, and mix that in, and we're going to let that simmer away. Oh, it smells awesome already. So we'll see you back in around about 20 minutes. Well, about 3 seconds for you. So we'll see you soon.
20 minutes later.
So what we're going to do is some more stuff that's in the fridge that needs to be used up. Got some spinach. spring onions, some pepper, and we'll let that finish cooking, turn heat off, and we'll get the pasta on. Okay, so there we go. Spaghetti bolognese made from all the not leftovers, used up all the stuff in the fridge, like the peppers and mushrooms and spring onions and tomatoes and all that good stuff. And we got crushed tomatoes in there, the sauce, like the Colmans sauce mixed in with it, sweetcorn, and all those good bits and pieces. I can't remember all of them because, like, you know, it's just using up loads of bits and pieces. But I will list it in the description, and you know, you can make it up as you want to go along, really. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.